In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Framer in just a few minutes. First, we'll open up a web browser and search for Framer. Once you've found the site, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, navigate to your Framer project and go into the project settings. In the Settings menu, you'll need to find and select Domains to manage your custom domain settings. Here, you want to choose the option to connect a domain you own. When prompted, enter your specific domain name, such as www.yourdomain.com. It's important to note that you'll need to have a Framer Pro plan to use custom domains, so if you haven't already upgraded, now's the time. Once you've upgraded to a Framer Pro plan, Framer will show you the specific DNS records you need to add to your GoDaddy account. This includes 1 CNAME record and 2 A records. Now, let's switch over to your GoDaddy account. Log in and navigate to the DNS management or DNS settings for the domain you want to connect. At this point, you should delete any existing A records and CNAME records that might conflict with the new records Framer has provided. This will ensure a smooth setup process. Now let's add the new records. First, we'll add the CNAME record. For this, set the name to www and the value to sites.framer.app. Next, we'll add the 2 A records. For each A record, make sure the name is set to the @ symbol, which stands for your root domain. You'll then need to enter the 2 different IP addresses that Framer has provided in the value field for each A record. Once you've added all these records, head back to your Framer project settings. Here, you can check the domain connection status. Keep in mind that these DNS changes might take some time to propagate globally, sometimes up to 48 hours, so patience is key. Finally, once the connection status shows as connected in Framer, you're all set. You can republish your project and then go ahead and visit your domain in a browser to see your Framer site live. And there you have it, a straightforward way to connect your GoDaddy domain to Framer. Thanks for watching, and happy building.